Natalie, when last did someone borrow money from you?
Oh, jeez. A long time ago.
How did you say no or did you say yes?
I said I just don't have.
You can't say that. You must just say
It's
no.
tough times. It's tough times.
No, that's what tough times. I say straight no. Ek gee nie antwoord. Nee. I don't say up and down. Oh no, it's tough this month. No. No, because if you say no, it's just tough this month. Jy weet van hierdie mense het 'n dik vel. Dan bel hulle jou weer volgende maand.
Next month. No, next month also was tough.
I've got people that have called me.
Sorry,
They call me this month. Borrow 1,000 rand. 1,000 rand, mense. Het lyk as min geld. 1,000 rand. I'm sitting at work. Now I'm like, hey, I'm caught off. And you know they must come with a long turn. Hey, hoe gaan het? And you must first go through the hoe gaan het and whatever. You haven't heard from this. It's normally people you haven't heard from in a while. Then I know. I call them. I used to have a thing where I call my family and friends. And I just text them. It's a 06. It's a 06. That means to all my family and friends that know. That means there's a brother that's going to call. And he's going to borrow money. Be aware. Moet jy optel nie. Moet jy unknown numbers optel nie. Ooh. Moet jy ou numbers wat jy nie verkeerd het optel nie. Jy weet, you know who they are. I used to go.
They also know who they are.
They know exactly who they are. You know, one day I was on my way to work. Early in the morning, me and Jason, I get a text. Wil jy nie by my 5 days, wil jy nie vir my 5 days in leen nie? 5,000 rand! Jason was laughing his ass off. He said to me, waar kan die man wel 5,000 rand leen op jou nigterbag? 5,000 rand is mos Africa bank geld. You can't just go. No. You can't borrow 5 grand. And people have a thick skin, man. Dik vellig. Jy sê vir hulle nou nee, dan bel jy weer. And you know what's the worst ones? Those ones that get angry with you because you didn't want to borrow their money. Like they know what's going on in your life. I'm not saying you mustn't borrow people money, but know who you borrow money. Family that are, or friends that you know, it's really going bad and this is not this person's way just to borrow money. This is a nood, then cool. Maar hy wat so gereeld en maklik geld leen. Oh, and the worst ones are the ones that borrow money, then they forget. They forget. No one forgets money. I forget. I don't forget. I still remember a 50 cent someone owe me from Sabi. Ek verkeer jou ga. Nee, kon nou. Dis my geld. So op. 5,000 is mal.